to be an undergrad and being able to help along with this advanced research, I think it's amazing and super beneficial.
There's really nowhere else you can get that kind of knowledge, and for it to be hands-on is even better because that's how you really retain it.
I'm Chloe Davis. I'm an animal science major with an equine science minor, and I'm currently a junior.
I'm Olivia Cover. I'm an animal science major with an equine science minor, and I'm a sophomore.
So when I first started, I didn't know much about the research, but when you start networking when you get here, and you can see that research is a big part of Penn State, and I think that's very beneficial to students because you get a lot of hands-on research even as an undergrad.
I think I've had some of the most hands-on work that I could have never even imagined. I was able to do some things you would never be able to do outside of here. I just have gotten so many experiences, like to collect the stallions and even learning how to breed the mares. And we have so many different opportunities, especially in animal science. So I would not trade this for anything.